Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be creating our collection view. Let's go ahead and get started. What I have is I've created two files. There's one advanced collection view and collection view cell. So advanced collection view is where it's actually a subclass of UI view controller. And this is where we're going to create our collection view. Now, when we create our collection view, we're going to need a cell because, like we discussed in collection view, everything that you do actually needed to be done from scratch. So that's the level of control it gives you. It's a little bit of added work, but it actually pays off really well because you have your own playground to work with. It's like you can build anything you want to. So that's what the intent is. Anyways, so let's go ahead and first populate the cell. Now, this is a cell class called a collection cell, and it inherits from UI collection view cell. Okay, so we're gonna need that when we create our collection view. So let's go ahead and create this one first. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna simply create a lazy bar UI label name. Gonna return that label, and let's put some text. So I'm gonna hit Control Command Space to launch emoji window, and I'm gonna select giraffe maybe, and then we're gonna give it a font. So v dot font dot width size, and we're gonna give it size 75. Text alignment, and the most important property, translate auto sizing mask into constraint to false. Okay, we're gonna return that view. Now we're gonna take our inits, and you're gonna first say super.init for frame. We're just gonna call with that frame. You're gonna create a function called setup. So I'm gonna just put it out there. Can create another init, the required one, a decoder one. So a decoder, and gonna do the same thing, setup, and let's create a private function called setup. Right. Now we're gonna add some properties to configure this view. So we're gonna first say background color. Gonna use color literal, and if you double click on this, you can choose a color, and then you can say add subview name. Then we also want to stylize our view, but first let's go ahead and give it a layout constraint. So, and it's layout constraint dot activate. So leading anchor is going to be equal to leading anchor of the view. So it's gonna basically cover the entire cell. So that's what we are doing here. Right? Good. Okay. So once we have this, we can also stylize. So so give it a rounded corner and stuff. So let's create a private func, style view, stylize view maybe, and we're gonna call this stylize view right here. And you're gonna say layer dot corner radius is equal to 10. Layer dot masks to bounds is equal to true. Layer dot border color is equal to UI color dot gray dot CG color, and layer dot border width to be 2. Alright, so our collection cell is actually set up. The only thing that we need is basically how we're going to populate this this name property. So if we define this as private, how are we going to do it? Now the better way actually is to accept a model. So emoji, so for example, emoji data, emoji data. This is going to be an optional, but whenever this is set, we want to check if there is anything in emoji data. So if let emoji data is equal to emoji data, if that is there, then we can say name dot text is equal to emoji data dot name, like so. Okay. All right, so that's how. So what we're gonna do in our cell, we're gonna set emoji data, and that emoji data, whenever it's set, it's gonna take the responsibility to populate our name. This way, we are exposing just enough to the outside world, basically, for our cell to interact with. Okay, so this is it for this video, and in the next video we're gonna start creating our collection view, and we're gonna use this collection view cell and take a look like how our cell actually looks like. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.